Hello, Andy right here. My product review today is a update on the Insta360 X3. Now, I purchased the selfie stick, which is powered, and I have purchased the audio adapter so that I can use my wireless Go Rode version 2, and of course I can get audio coming into my X3. Now, obviously the idea is to have it invisible. You can see from this little video here that I did the other day, it wasn't quite invisible because the cable was not in line. And the reason why it wasn't in line was that I could not get the whole thing to line up because there was a problem with the actual dimensions. Now what I'll show you is the actual solution for this. I don't know if anybody else has had this problem. If you've got the audio adapter, the bracket and the powered selfie stick, you'll know that this is, well, you may not know, because I don't think anybody else has ever mentioned this problem, because it is a problem combination that probably is quite rare. I don't know how many people will use their powered selfie stick with the audio adapter. I don't know, maybe only me. But here we have the solution to that. As you can see, this is the X3 powered selfie, which has its cable going to the camera, and of course the audio adapter up here, which is also powered. And the reason is you need to power it, the selfie stick, through the USB-C on the audio adapter, because it's a straight through. But the problem is that the cable itself, you can see this one here, it actually comes down too far. And when it comes down, it prevents the wireless Go from sitting completely invisible. See that is practically, it keeps on turning on, I don't know why it's doing that. You can see by that it would be pretty much within the stitch line, so you can see that the cables and the wireless Go is level with the edge of the camera, and the bracket there, which is the PT20 Ulanzi, which you can only buy from Insta360, because I have not found it anywhere else, including on Ulanzi. So that obviously supports the audio and the audio adapter above it, and of course the audio adapter has a cable, and you see that is also in line, so it should be invisible in theory. But of course, where that powered cable came down too far, it prevented the wireless receiver from sitting comfortably on the bracket, and of course it meant the wireless receiver stuck out, and obviously that and the cable meant that the cable was going, that cable had to come behind, and of course then it was in view. So what was the solution? The solution was to purchase an extra L-shape, right or left angle, it doesn't matter which one because they're both the same, it goes on anyway, but a left or right angle adapter, which has a male to female sockets, so you could actually then plug in your power into the actual female, and then the male into your audio adapter USB port. And this is obviously an extra few quid, but obviously it solves the problem of having audio and the powered selfie at the same time. So there you go. That is an update. If you weren't aware of it, it is pretty much important because it can prevent you from using both together. And the idea of having everything together was to power your camera and have audio as well. Simple, as they say. That's it from me. Hope it was useful. And of course I'll catch you next time.